Hi everyone, it's Ann from AnnMakes, of course. Thank you for stopping by. As you can see, I have the orange package with the Temu or Temu. I apologize. Not sure how to pronounce it correctly, but it's my first time hauling from Temu. And look who wants in on the action. You want to say hello? This, by the way, is Shadow. No, if anybody wants to interested in knowing, Shadow wants to see what I ordered. So when Temu announced that they were available to ship to Canada, I jumped on the opportunity to order a few things, just like so many other people did. And this is what I got. Now, full disclosure, I did receive this more than a week ago. I just did not have a chance to do the video. So here we go. The first thing I have to show you is this package of papers. I chose this one. This says Daily Checklist. And I don't know what the prices are. I don't have them in front of me right now. So yeah, I got this. So it's, I just really wanted to see what Temu was all about and see their products. So it's a bunch of papers that we can use in our paper crafts, our collage work, art journaling. These are really awesome. Oh, they're obviously like replicas of old documents, but man, these are really cool. These are really fun. I love this one with the utensils on it. And here we have which cat is that? This is Cosmo. Cosmo wants in on the action too. Hey Cosmo, you want to say hi? Yeah, so this package of pretty papers. Very nice. Oh, and the last one, the packaging itself has a pretty print on it too. Lovely, absolutely lovely papers. Okay. All right, Cosmo, you have to move out of the way. You want to say hi? Say hi, Cosmo. Okay, then Cosmo, go away. Okay, sorry for Cosmo here. He just wants in on it. Okay, the other thing I ordered was a set of clear stamps. I don't know if you'll be able to see them properly. These ones are it says transparent. Okay. And Cosmo is back for the second act. Okay, here we go. Hope you can see these better. Or actually, we could use the cat as a background. So these have like postage and handwritten letters and some pieces of form, just little bits of like ephemera but in stamp form, so I could recreate some ephemera pieces. Let's see if I can find the prices. If the cat would get off my phone. Where's my phone now? I can't look on my phone because I'm using my phone to record this. And I can't look on my laptop right now because I'm uploading a video on it. So I'm kind of stuck here. Okay, so I can't give you the prices I paid for this. I got this little package of stickers. And if I remember correctly, this was something about tarot and cats, or tarot cats. Where's the vet? It's something I don't have. These are so cute. And look, it's all kitties. And look, they're black kitty. Are they all black kitties? They're all black kitties. Oh, no, not just black kitties. There's other kitties. This one's a tuxedo. because Cosmo and Shadow are tuxedos. That means they're mostly black, but they do have, like, they have white paws, and they have like white shirts on and white mustaches. So yeah. Oh, this reminds me of my beloved Snowball. Oh, rest in peace, my beautiful Snowball. Oh, yeah. So as you know, I love kitties. So these I thought were going to be right up my alley. I didn't know how many. Well, I think it says in the description how many there were, but I am pleasantly surprised at how many there are now, and they are really, really cute. And they're like little tarot cards, but they're stickers. Ah, oh, these are fun, very fun. Okay, a non-paper craft thing, but I ordered this, which is called, I don't know what it's called. Hold on. It creates space on your flat screen. It says it's a screen shelf. I can see through the sticker here. It's a screen shelf. It's a shelf to put on my screen. I'm going to put this on my desktop. I don't know if you can see the pictures here. Kitty, you're in the way again. So it's a little shelf that's supposed to stand or sit on the back of the screen of the computer. And I got one in black because my Mac, my iMac here is a black one. So I'm going to put, just to create a little shelf on top of the computer screen. So I got that, ordered that. I thought it was a neat little gadget. And, oh, it's adjustable. You can tighten it. You can tighten the, I guess, the little legs. I don't know what to call that, or arms. What else? Here's another stamp set that I ordered. Oh, these are books. It doesn't, again, it doesn't give the information on the back, but I ordered this set. Take it out of the package. It's very hard to do videos with cats. Okay, so this one is, oh, I thought this was really cute. It's a set of books, stamps of books, and even the quill and ink for writing. So you have a blank book, you have all sorts of books. I really like that. All I remember is that the prices were really good. They were cheap, really. So that's why I ordered these things. Oh, this is a cutter. Like, it has a blade on it, and it's a fun tool to use. The way it works, there's a learning curve to using this tool, and I know because I already have another one by the original company that made this. This is probably a knockoff, but I just thought it was cheap and I wanted to try it. So basically it's to cut paper. It's to cut around paper, and of course you need a self-healing mat, and it's great for fussy cutting, for images and collage work. And yeah, and this one comes with extra blades. So there's 2 extra blades here, which is great because I didn't have extra blades for the other one that I have. So I wanted to try this one to compare with the other one that I have. Oh, I saw this little spoon, multi-purpose tool. It says multi-purpose tool. So it's a silicone spatula. So it's like a spatula at one end and a spoon at the other end. I don't know if you can hear, but the cats are trilling. They're talking to each other. They're funny. They're kittens, by the way. They're still kittens. They will be a year old in May. Okay, so I got this little spatula spoon. Again, I don't have something like this. Super handy, you know, to get stuff out of jars in the craft room. Scoop stuff, scrape stuff out of jars. You know, we work with so many different mediums and supplies. So just a little tool. This, oh, these are the stencils. And there's a key ring. Okay, this says nothing to describe this. So I got this set of stencils. Oh, 36 pieces. So there's 36 of these stencils. And I thought the price was really, really good. And there is a key ring. Not a key ring, a binder ring. So, and there's a hole in each side, in the corner. Can you hear that? I hope you can hear that because it's a very sweet sound. That is one of the kittens trilling there. He's communicating with his brother. That's cute. That happens all day long here. It's really cute. Oh, and they're numbered. There's numbers in them. See that? So these are, I hope you can see these. It's 1, 2, 3. There's 36 people, so we could be here a while if you want, or you're interested in seeing all of them. I think these might have been the Mandela ones. Oh, these are fun. So I think you get the idea. We're only at number 10, but there's basically 36 of these little stencils. And yeah. So there's like all these designs. There's a snowflake to them, look kind of Mandela style flowers, sunbursts. So these are great for mixed media, for journals. They were just, yeah, I got these because I thought they were fun, and I don't have these in my stash, and I have a zillion, how can you see anything with a cat? A zillion stencils, but can you see that? Oh, kitty. So I have a lot more stencils. Oh my goodness, this is not food, guys. These are stencils. Look at them. They're ravenous. See, now you get to see both kitties. I don't know if you get to see their faces, but I want you to see their faces. So look up at the camera. I'm holding up the stencil. Are you showing your beautiful face? Okay. I hope you can see his beautiful face. That's Cosmo. Here we go. It's Cosmo. And yes, you here are Shadow. There we go. Those are my babies. So yeah, there's a lot of these cool stencils in this set. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. This is my life with cats. Oh, and the last thing I ordered were these wax melts for melting wax for making seals, and they had them in this copper, which I thought would be fun. I don't have this color. Oh, no, it's not copper. It's red gold. Well, copper, red gold, tomato. So yeah, that's my little haul, my little Temu haul, my first haul. The prices are really good. The shipping was fast. Yeah, I think I will be ordering from them again. As a matter of fact, I did order again from them. I have another small haul from them, and I got a notice that it's at the post office, so I have to go get that. And so on behalf of Cosmo and Shadow, we want to thank you for stopping by and watching our haul. Our haul, yes. And hope that you are inspired to get your craft on with some of this, or to adopt shelter cats. I think that's why they're here. They're really here to promote adopting shelter cats, because shelter cats are absolutely adorable. They have a lot of love to give. So thank you so much for stopping by. Please like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are subscribed, please go click on the bell to tell YouTube you want to be notified whenever I post new content. YouTube has changed things, so maybe a long time ago when you subscribed to this channel, you said you wanted to be notified, but you have to tell YouTube again because they made so many changes. And I notice in my analytics that the majority of you who are watching these videos that are subscribed are have not notified YouTube that you want to be notified when I post new content. So just a heads up for people who think that, oh yeah, well, I'm subscribed and YouTube should be telling me that Ann has a new video. Not necessarily. Just you know, do me a favor, click on that bell again, and please try to watch as many of my videos as possible, because YouTube is not paying me anymore because my views are down a bit. So yeah, so I would appreciate that. So thank you so very much for watching, and until next time, stay crafty. Bye.